I'm Rob B from Rebel Piano, and today I'm going to show you another really great little exercise that's going to help you make the piano sound lovely, and also it's helping with your dexterity. It's helping coordinate your hands. I know you want to learn to play proper songs, Beatles songs, Led Zeppelin songs, whatever. But doing this kind of exercise is just helping your hands get loose and your mind get loose. You'll start seeing patterns and hearing. It's training your ear as well, because all the time you're doing this, you're realizing what the piano is capable of. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to do this lovely little improvisation. And it's loose, you can go anywhere with it. You can go places with it. So let's go to the overhead camera up here, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And it's simples, and you can do this. And once you get going with it, you'll be feeling great. It makes you feel good. And anyone who's listening will go, wow, that sounds good. So, basically, with the left hand, all you have to think about at first is playing those two notes, the A and the E. That's middle C there. So it's the next one down from there, the next E from there, and the A. And get that going. Start slowly. And then with your thumb, you never deviate from playing the E all the way through. And you can play it in exactly the same rhythm as the left hand. So you can do that. That's easy. And then what we're going to add are those three fingers. So get your hand in that position on the keyboard. I hope you've got your keyboard with you now. Get your hand there, and we're going to go. So you're playing the same two notes, but in there and there, then the E and the A, and then playing those two notes together afterwards. So if you're struggling with that, just play. But playing the same rhythm as the left hand. And then what I'm doing, I'm just playing, I'm not playing it evenly. You can mess around with this. Start really slow. Put your foot on the sustain pedal. I can't talk and do this at the same time. And put your foot on the sustain pedal. Right, it's singing now. And then start to speed up. And if you make a mistake, my fingers are going all over the place, but because I've got that rhythm going, because you've got the rhythm going, it frees you up, because it's a feeling. It's the rhythm is the all-important thing. Listen to those, listen to that. And then the other thing you can do, back to the overhead, is you can go and then move your little finger down a tone to the G and then down to the F, then back to the G, and listen to the effect you get now. Oops. Start slow. Getting that rhythm, that feeling. Okay. Rebel Piano, just quick advert here. My little project, Rebel Piano, you can join, and we do all kinds of things like this, but every month we have a new song, a project, and we're up to about song number 21 now. And we've got some brilliant songs by the Everly Brothers, the Van Morrison, the Beatles, of course, the Led Zeppelin. I love playing that. Lots of guitar songs as well. What about this? Okay, see you soon. Have a great day wherever you are in the world. Lots of love. See you. Bye.